Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 and PlayStation VR2 headset. In this video I'll show you how to find tutorial about PlayStation VR headset, lens distance and headset configuration. In the beginning, let's press the menu button on the controller and go to Other settings. Go to VR headset and now enter adjust lens distance and VR headset position. Now put on your VR headset and follow the instructions. But basically what you have to know is to adjust VR headset. You have to press this button. Now you can adjust the distance of the lens, and to adjust position we've got this switch. If you press it, you can also extend this part of the headset, and if you tilt it, twist it, you will tighten the headset on your head. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.